morning everyone. So let us start our class. So in our previous class we have done till question number 7, right? Till question number 7 we have done. So now we will start from question number 8. Okay, 7 rest question you do by yourself, all those are similar only. So question number 8 is also similar actually. Show that this is equal to this, the value is given, you have to find the antilog only. What is the difference? That the value is given, so your answer should match with that value, only that much. Okay, you consider x is equal to 5th root of 349,388, and then you find the value of x, that is antilog. Then you will get the value as what, 12.843 up to 3 decimal places approximately you will get that value. Okay, so question number 9, let me try question number 9 then. Find the position of the first significant digit on the right side of the decimal point. Okay, so what you have to find? The position of the right significant digit. So these type of questions are same to those type of question, like find the number of digits, find the number of zeros. So find the position of the first significant digit. If you know the number of zeros, then definitely you can say the position of the first significant digit. After the zero, the first number will be what? First digit will be only first significant digit. So the process will be same how we have calculated the number of zeros. Okay, so question number 9, find the position of the first significant digit on the right side of the decimal point of the number this. So simple, let consider this to be x. The way we have found out the number of zeros, same way we will find this one. Okay, so which implies x will be equal to say 16.8 to the power plus 12 will be what? Minus 12. If I reciprocal this one, then add log both side. Log x will be equal to log of 16.8 to the power minus 12, which implies log x will be equal to minus 12 into what? Log of 16.8. Okay, log x will be equal to minus 12 into, now in your exam you have to break 16.8 as how? 168 by 10. Then again 168 you have to factorize, you have to bring it to its prime factors. Okay, then that way you have to do. But now right now I will directly use log table and directly I will write the value of what? Log of 16.8. okay, otherwise time will be wasted. So but in exam you have, this value will be might not be given. Okay, this value will not be given, so you have to break 168 or 168 by 10. And this type of questions you have done in class 9 also. You have to factorize 168, not factorize actually, break it down to its prime factors. 10, log 10 is simple only, so this one you will get. Only 168 you have to break, then log 2, log 3, those things will come. Okay, so I will write the value directly. What is the characteristics? 2 digits are there, right? 1 and 6. So characteristics will be how much? 2 minus 1, 1. So at first characteristics, then point. Whenever you write a logarithm value, at first you have to write the characteristics, then decimal point. Now I will directly look the table. What is the value of 16 and then for 8? Okay, so let me check the table. 0.2253. 0.2253. 1 is there, so I will not write the 1. Okay, that much is sufficient. 0.2253. Okay, 4 digits I have written. Okay, after the decimal point, 1 is also there in the table. Now multiply then. Log of x will be equal to minus 12 into, directly multiply. Minus plus will be what? Minus. So multiply 12 into 1.2253. 14.7036. Okay, so what is the problem? The problem is your mantissa is negative. So make your mantissa positive, which implies log of x will be equal to, very simple, minus 15 what? Plus 1. And then minus 0.7036. One more line if you want, you can write one more line like that. Say minus 14 minus 0.7036. Then which implies log x will be equal to minus 15 plus 1. Minus 14 I have written as what? Minus 15 plus 1. and then minus 0.7036. Done. So now which implies log of x will be equal to minus 15 plus 0 point how much? 6, then 4, 3, then 4, then 6, 0, then 1, then 9, 7, 8, then 2. How much? 0.2964. Okay. So which implies log of x will be equal to, now how I will combine this? 15 bar 0.2964. Understood? So now what is the characteristics? Over here the characteristics is what? 15 bar, or you can say minus 15 also. Since the characteristics is equal to 15 bar, or you can say minus 15 also, up to you how you want to write that one. Okay. So what we have to find the position of the first significant digit. Therefore, position of the first significant digit is how much? See, if the characteristics is 15 bar, means minus 15, so how many zeros will be there? At first that one you find it. So how we will get minus 15? What is the formula? Minus of n plus 1. N plus 1. So how we will express 15? I said na, if it is plus 1 then minus 1. So 14. How many zeros will be there? 14 zeros. 14 plus 1 is 15, right? So what will be the value of n? 14. That means 14 zeros are there. In that number, after the decimal point, 14 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 14 zeros are there. Then maybe some digit says 7 is there. So what will be the position of the first significant digit? Over here 14 zeros are there. Then what will be its position? 15th. Understood? So whenever this type of question will come, find the position of the first significant digit. Whatever is the characteristics, that will only be your what? Value. So what is the position? 15th position. Understood? Because if the characteristics is minus 15, so number of zeros is 14. If number of zeros it has 14, then the first significant digit will be what? Again 15 only. Okay. So it will be same with the characteristics. So this is the answer. And this type of questions are very important. It comes in the exam. Okay. Okay. So now let's move to question number 10. This type of questions are already there in the example. Same thing. If you have to find any value, say amount, compound interest, whatever rate of interest, okay, then you have to use anti-log only. Okay, means you will consider this, you will bring log, okay, and say amount you will find. So amount will be equal to, then again anti-log will come. So the process is same. You have to do anti-log only. And these questions are already given in your examples. Okay. So question number 10. Applying logarithm, find at what rate percent, means what you have to find? You have to find the value of r. Okay. Will rupees 160 and 000. This is your what? Principal, isn't it? Rupees how much? 160 000. Amount to rupees, this is your amount. Rupees 191,844. 2 years. Time is how much? 2 years. What you have to find? We have to find what? Rate. So what is the formula? We know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Substitute the value in this formula. Amount is what? 191,844 is equal to, what is the principal? 160,000, and then 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. So this is product over here, it will come over here, then what will happen? Divide will happen, right? So which implies 191,844 divided by 160 and then 000, 1 plus R by 100 square. This one done. Now simple add, both sides you bring log, that is log of 191,844 160 000 log of 1 plus r by 100 square. So 2 will come front. This one log a by b is what? Log a minus log b. So then you have to break this. This will also get cancelled. So you cancel this one. Then you break. Okay. Right. If in the examination the value is given, so directly write the characteristics and put the value. Or else you have to break this one. Or you have to divide this one. So simple calculation you do. At last to find r, use anti-logarithm. You will get your value. Okay. So calculation part you do by yourself. In examples also this type of questions are there. Exactly this question, this type of question actually amount, principal regarding compound interest. This type of question is there in the example. So you try by yourself. You want to see the example if you have any doubt, and still if you can't get the answer right over here, okay, then you just ask me, then I will solve this question. Okay. So you try the remaining part. You try by yourself. Okay. You have to find the antilog to get the value of what? Rate of interest. Understood? Okay, next question you see question number 11. Again with the help of logarithm find the number of years. This time you have to find t. This time t is not given and rest everything is given as is. Okay, principal is given, amount is given and rate is given. So this time t is not given. Okay, so 11 is also same thing. Try by yourself. Question number 12. What will be the interest? Okay, in this question you have to find interest. Principal, what is given? Principal is given, time is given, rate is given. So to find interest, the formula is what? Compound interest actually. Compound interest formula is amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal. So at first you find the amount using what formula? This formula. Okay. See whether you need antilog or not. Antilog, then antilog. Find the value of a. After the subtract the principal, you will get what your answer, that is compound interest. So in this question you have to find this one. After finding amount, again this formula you put, that compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Subtract it, you will get the interest. Okay. So 12 also try by yourself. 13 is what? Find the area of the triangle having the sides. These three sides are given. So if three sides are given, we will use what? Heron's formula. Only since the question will be huge, square root value we will not get, so we will use what? Logarithm. And again to find the area, we will use what? Anti-logarithm. So starting part I am doing this one. Okay, given sides are what? Find the area of a triangle having sides, say number 13. Given sides are, how much it is given? 45 centimeter, comma 57 centimeter, comma 63 centimeter. Okay. Find the area of the triangle having side 45 centimeter, 57 centimeter and 63 centimeter. So at first what we will find? The semi-perimeter, isn't it? S. The semi-perimeter is equal to what? Sum of all the sides means the perimeter, and then what? Divided by 2. So 2, then 7, 3, 10, 5, 15, 1, 10, 15, 6, 4, 10, 15, 16, 165 by 2. Okay, so what is your semi-perimeter? 165 by 2. So you divide this one, you will get 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4 5, 2 5 is 10, 82.5 or 82.5 centimeter. Okay, now then area. Therefore, area of the triangle will be what? Square root of S minus A, S minus B, and then what? S minus C. Where A, B, C are what? They are the sides, isn't it? So you can write where A, comma B, comma C are what? Sides. Or directly you put A equal to square root of this into S minus 45. S means 82.5 minus 57. Directly also you can do this one. Okay. Okay. So now put the value, which implies A will be equal to square root of 82.5 minus what? 45. 82.5 minus 57, and then last 82.5 minus what? 63. Okay. keep on solving this one. After that, to find a, obviously you will require what? Log. Both sides you will have to bring log, and then to find a, to find the value, you will require what? Anti-log. So 82.5 into 82.5 minus 45. So this will be 37.5, isn't it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 37.5 into next 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. This will be how much? 25.5, and this 0.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 19.5, isn't it? Next one is 19.5. So okay, now everything done. Last step is what? You multiply all this, which implies a will be equal to root over, multiply 82.5, multiply by yourself. Right now I am multiplying using calculator. So 37.5, 25.5 and 19.5. So you will get a huge number. 15383, 15383, 15383, 67.1, 67.1. Don't use any calculator, okay? Otherwise your speed will get reduced, okay? So right now just whether the, or else the video will be very long if I keep on multiplying over here, or mistake may also happen. So again I have to do the question. So for that I am using calculator right now. So this you will get after multiplication. Now simple thing, bring log both sides. Log of a is what? Log of root over this 153,837.1. Take it to exponential form. Take it to exponential form, that is log of a. Log of a will be equal to what? Half of log of this will be what? To the power 1 by 2, right? So 153,837.1 to the power 1 by 2. So log of a will be equal to half log of, okay. So you have to write the characteristics, which is what? Half of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 point. Then simple you have to in the examination I think this type of values will be given, because it is not possible to break this type of factor, okay? It will be very, very difficult to make it prime factors. So if such questions are there, the values will be given, so don't worry about that one. So you have to see the value from the table for 15, 3 and 8. So you put the value over here using the table, and then what will be a? A will be simply what? Anti-log of, if you multiply this, you will do anti-log of this, you will get what? You will get your area for that, okay? So try the question by yourself, simple thing. Yes, you look the table, because it is very, very difficult to turn it into prime factors. So same way question number 14 also only what? Find the volume of a sphere. So what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And this type of one more question is also given in the example. Example number 8. The volume of a sphere is given. You have to find the radius. Okay, over here also same thing. The volume of a sphere is given. You have to find the radius. So same type of question in example also it is given. So if you have any doubt, you can see the example. Try the question by your. So okay, again same issue, I forgot to charge the phone, so the battery is again below 15%, so it stopped recording, okay. So okay, you take the help of the example. If you have any doubt, you ask. The values will be given in your answer script, okay. If it is very difficult, then it will be given in the answer script, and if it is solvable, then you have to turn it into its prime factors, okay. And don't worry about the values, it will be given. Only you should know, while finding logarithm, at first you have to write the characteristics, and while finding anti-logarithm, by looking the characteristics, you have to place the decimal point, that much, okay. So 14 you try. 15, okay. So let me do question number 15. Solve with the help of logarithm. Number 1 I am doing. These are also easy questions only. Number 15, number 1. 10 to the power x will be what? 893. Okay, so solution, take log of 10 to the power x will be what? Log of 893, which implies x log of 10 will be what? Log of 893. So at first characteristics 1, 2, 3 digits are there. 3 minus 1, 2. Characteristics is 2. So 2 point. Now let me check the table directly. I am not going to factorize this one. So its value will be what in the table? 89 and 3. 95085. How much? 95085. So what is log 10? Log 10 is 1. So x will be equal to what? 2.95085. So this is your answer. So these questions are not bad. Okay, they are good. So number 2. Number 2, same way again, put log. Find the value of x. Number 3 also similar. And again this type of questions examples are also given in the book. See, like question number 3, example 10 is also there. So you can take help from here also if you have any doubt, but those questions are not that tough. Okay, they are nice. Question number 4 I am doing one more. See question number 4. Log of x square minus 3x. Log of x square minus 3x is equal to what? 1. Okay, already log is there over here. So this time I will cancel the log. 1 I will write as how? Log of 10. Log 10 is how much? 1. So both side log cancel. So x square minus 3x will be equal to what? 10. So this is nothing but a what? Quadratic equation. Factorize 10. How you can factorize 10? 5 2, isn't it? So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 will be equal to 0. This is x minus 5. This is 2. This is x minus 5 equal to 0, which implies x minus 5 and what? X plus 2. So therefore x will be equal to 5 comma minus 2. So this is the answer. So these are not that tough, easy questions. 5 you try by yourself. Let us do question number 16, our last question, and with that the chapter will complete. And yes, if you have any doubt, then definitely I will explain in the next video. But if you can do, then with this our chapter will complete. So this is the last question. So what is the question? You see 21 by 10. You correct the question at first. This will not be 21 by 10. This will be what? 21 by 100. Sorry, 21 by 20, not 10. Okay. To the power 100. We have to show what this is greater than 100. So you correct the question. This will be what? 21 by 20. Okay. So simple. We'll start with this. Let x is equal to 21 by 20 to the power what? 100. Which implies bring log of x will be equal to what? Log of 21 by 20 to the power 100. Which implies log of x will be equal to 100 log of 21 by 20, which implies log x will be equal to 100 and then log 21 minus log 20. Done. Now which implies log x will be equal to 100 into log 21. At first write the characteristics. 2 digits are there. So 2 minus 1, 1 point. So I will look the table directly. But this type of values might not be given. Okay. So over there 3 7s are 21. You have to break. Then log 3 plus log 7. Like this you have to do. Okay. But I will look the value directly in here. 21 point. So you have given 3 and 4 2s are there. Okay. 3 and what? 4 2s are there minus log 20. So again characteristics 2 digits are there. So 1 point. Then what will be the value? Nothing but 2 only, right? So 30103. See log 2 characteristics will be how much? 1 digit is there, 1 minus 1 0, and the value is same 30103. So log 20 characteristics is 1 point, but the value will be same. Okay, the value will be same. So now subtract log of x will be equal to 100 into, if I subtract this one, I will get what? 1.3222 minus 1.30103, 0.02119. 0.02119. How much? 0.02119. Now multiply this by 100, which implies log of x will be equal to 2.1196. 2.119. So now what we will write, that this is what? Greater than what? 2. This is greater than 2. So I can say which, or therefore I can say therefore means 2.19119 is greater than 2, or I can say that log x is greater than 2 or not. I can say that log x is what? Greater than 2. Understood? Now what I can say, which implies log of x means log of x. How I can bring 2? How I can bring 2? Like that, isn't it? Log of 100. How I can bring 2? Log of 100 is 2, isn't it? 10 square. Then 2 will come front. 10 base 10 is 1. Log of 100 is what? 2 only. So log cancel. What we have got? X is greater than 100. Put the value of x. Substitute the value of x. 21 by 20 to the power 100 is greater than what? 100. So this is the question. This is also a very important question. This type of question also you have done in class 9. Okay. So with this chapter ends. Any doubt, any question which is not matching with the answer, or any kind of doubt with the table or whatever it is, you say, then I will solve it in the next class, or else we will start what? Quadratic equation. Okay. So with this, logarithm completes. So practice all the question, whatever I have not done over here. Characteristics, number of zeros, finding the value of x using anti-logarithm, compound interest. Okay, those type of question you do by yourself. So that's all. Thank you.